Hey guys, this is Priya, and today I'm at Roblox, and wow! So I just cleaned my dorm room, and I had my room, and something weird just happened. I got a glitch. I have this sort of glitch, I guess. I've never had a skirt, or heels. So let me get some makeup on, cause I don't look good without makeup. I need some makeup. And then let me start artistically go to something I've never seen before. So I found this super weird thingy that happens. So I was playing on Rail High, however you pronounce it, and then I saw some way you got out from the side right here. So then when I need to claim my dorm, I can just go from here and then just claim my dorm. Oh, and also, I want a new dorm room. I just claimed it just in case that if the other dorm room is already taken. So, I'm gonna check that. It is or not. And it is. That's why I take that dorm room right before that. I'm gonna go to lunch for a while. Whatever this is, I call it a lunch. I think it's just showering or something. Oh, ugh. And that's just weird because that one above this one is completely frozen. It is. I'll show you after I'm done showering or taking a shower. Ugh. Wow. Wow. Who's right here? Me. I'm in the room. Wow, that's just crazy. Oh my goodness. I'm not going around the water that somebody already used. I'm gonna let go of that, and while I'm about to go there, I'm gonna change my clothes. So, get me started on this. So, now I look like this. I have to fill the water in. I'm gonna reach from far away. What? Why won't it work? I'm gonna have to reach my hands. Finally, some water. I need it. I have to be my outfit should look right down in the comments below for tomorrow. So then I can show you and everybody Happy New Year! If you live in somewhere, just Happy New Year. Because today, I'm gonna stay up till midnight and do some Roblox and some Minecraft. So yeah. Oh, I think this is enough bathing for a day or a night. I didn't even get to go to the dance today. Okay, now I'm gonna change my clothes. So, be prepared to look at me because sometimes I look really crazy. So I'm back, right here. I gotta get out. I haven't gotten to sleep. People start showering right now. So getting out of here. I hate how dark it is right here. I hate it. I've always waited for it to look a little better than this. Ow, why can I not go to my dorm room? Ugh, oh, because that's why. Okay, I'm going to my dorm now. And I'm going to sleep. But then I just thought, I need to change my dorm room. Just a little bit. So, we're going to change the colors of it from Rapunzel to purple. The pink, I'm gonna make a little pink. Still, I've been waiting for. And if that doesn't work, then, I'm right. I'm right. Nope, I'm not right. Just so you know, I'm not alright with this. And it froze. Okay, now it didn't freeze. Because I think I saw earlier, it just Gross. How do you think my room looks? Hope you think it looks great. Okay. Ugh. There you go. Gotta go to sleep. I'm gonna sleep. And it's 4 a.m. I guess I just got a little hour of sleep. Now I gotta go back to the lunch. Change my clothes. Just kidding. I'm gonna change my clothes right here in front of you boys. I hate that accent of mine. Casual clothes. What should I wear today? I think I'm gonna wear that red wedding dress thingy. Now for my skirts. I wear secret green with white. And then the heels should be red to match my whole outfits. Oh my goodness, I forgot something. I didn't wear that. I mean, I did, but oh my gosh. This reminds me of so much. I'm going to something clothing. Then put that back on. There you go. I look way better now. Just gotta do my hairstyle. My hair. And I might dye my hair. No, I'm definitely gonna dye my hair today. My casual hair. Right here. Beautiful as me. Okay, I'm gonna have to. They're gonna tell me to make a wig right now, so I'm gonna get out of here. See what I said? They're gonna make me wake up. Ow, and I just fell. And I fell again. I'm very clumsy. So I'm gonna clean my locker because I haven't. I just went straight to the video that I cleaned my dorm room. But I forgot to clean the locker. So, and somebody did the very numbers. Oh, yeah. That's not my real locker combination. My combination. Here you create that. My number, I guess. I think I'm gonna forget it very easily. Oh, you need my books, duh. Oh, for the day. Okay. Is this how it was? No? Is this it? No, I forgot it. This time I'm gonna do an easy one. Create. Okay, done. Let's take paintbrush out, chemistry book, computer book, English book. I just like taking other books with me, that way when I don't have to take it all the time. So, and this is what I hate every single day. I'm in a rush of breakfast because I hate it. I literally hate it. I'll take a strawberry smoothie. Thank you. Some meal, I will have waffles, eggs, and fruit. And for the sweets, I literally hate. I'm going to take a red apple for 3 gems. Or then, whatever you call it. You always get my medals first though. Let's get this. Okay, and I do. I get my food first. I think all of us. Nope, she's got pancakes. I think some of us will have the same food to eat. Oh, did I? Wait, what? Oh, the fruit was that. So yeah, that's bad people, I guess. Yeah. They are looking over to me, What's a mistake? Morning, everybody. Morning. I'm gonna write another video. I'm sorry. in a video. That's a useful video. Video. Or VIDE. Oh, yeah, that's how you spell video. Oh my gosh, music. I can't go to music, but I hate music. Like, literally, I hate music. Then with music. Or should I go to music tomorrow or today? Write down in the comments below why I should, because I need music. Why should I go to music? I hate music class. And literally, climbing up the lines to Skytown is also that way I can go to get the coffee easier. I think you will. And music is starting. Great job. I think I'll attend it. For today. That's all. For the whole day. No, for just today. The reason I'm saying I hate music is because of this. So music is on. I'll turn the sounds on if you need it. I hate it. That's what I'm gonna do. This Friendship is Magic. That sounds great. Okay, so that class is over. Oh, good. That's not good. Okay. Wow, this one is the best. I love music now. Okay, what class is next? Oh wow, what class is that? Swimming. For the rest of this video, they only have a little time left. That's better? I think attend class, cause I guess I like it. Music is a favorite class from now on. From then on. Well, there's some. Wow. I'm gonna jump everywhere. Literally. I only have 20 seconds left to do this. 15 minutes with the anniversary. Oh, sorry. I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm recording.